Here we have a bungalow for sale. It's 90 square meters internally and has 3 acres of land, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and you've already seen amazing sea views. Let's take a look inside. And the porch leads into a living area with dining room and fireplace. Which brings us to a very, very long corridor where there are 3 bedrooms, also a fully fitted kitchen. This is the first of the 3 bedrooms. This is the second of the 3 bedrooms, very large bedroom. Bathroom with all fittings, including a shower. And then brings us onto the main bedroom with ensuite bathroom. Which also includes a bath, shower, and all the fittings. This is a very sweet bungalow. It comprises of gas central heating. This bungalow also has 4 very large storage spaces, and as I said earlier, 3 acres of land. And the land's down there, but you're going to have to click on the link to find out more information.